you need to purchase tickets at a ticket counter, the following phrases will be useful. すみません。今日午後2時半の新幹線のぞみで広島に行きたいんです。切符は大人2枚と子供1枚ならいくらですか? Let's go through some of the individual words in a sentence. のぞみ is one of the Japanese bullet trains. のぞみ means hope. 行きたいん is a combination of the words 行きます meaning to go and たいん means wish to. 切符 directly translates as a ticket. For example, tickets for trains, buses, or even cinemas. 大人 is an adult. 子供 means a child. なら means if. 2枚 means 2 tickets. 枚 is a counter for thin objects. Example, tickets, sheets of paper, CDs, or leaves. Examples with 枚 to say 1 to 5 tickets, 1枚、2枚、3枚、4枚、5枚。